All right. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're connecting from. Probably you're in the Middle East, West Africa, Europe, different part of the continent we have in the world. All right. So you're welcome to tonight's YouTube live. Okay. Where we're going to be revealing amazing strategies in trading price action, and as well how I actually made 3.5 million naira trading almighty gold. Yeah, and also trading almighty NFP. Yeah, because that's where I made the money from. I made the money for NFP. So I want to share it with you guys so you can know how to get better in your trade. So remember the time we had one section where I said how I lost 500,000 naira, right? So today's own is how I made 3.5 million naira. You see how trading is very, very fantastic. Yeah, you say we lose money here, but what makes you a better trader is that you make more money than your what losses. Okay, so and I'm very open. I share with you guys my trading stuff, real account, demo account, whichever one. I'm real with you guys. Okay, if I lose money, I post. If I make money, I still post. You understand? Even though that's whatever profit I post is not the total money I've made. Okay, so I just select the one to post so as to keep you guys motivated and moving forward. You understand? So posting profit has a way of keeping you guys in check. For those that are already making money, but they want to make more money, or those people who are not yet to make money, and those people who are new. Okay, so it's to encourage you, keep you guys head straight up, and yeah, you have a fantastic time in trading the financial market. All right, so I believe everybody can hear me clearly and we are good to go. So I'm not going to be spending so much time in tonight's class. Yeah, have done a lot of pep talk over time. So if you're just joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's for your own good anyway. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any video. And thank you to Arewa. He reminded me that I said I was going to make a video on how to use Fibonacci retracement. So I appreciate you for reminding me that. I have a lot of things going on in my head. But thank you so much for reminding me of that. So I'll work on it and drop it on the YouTube channel so you guys can add that to your learning. All right. So guys, yeah, so that is it. I believe we've actually gotten one or two from what I've said right now. Hope we've gotten our head straight, we've gotten our notepad and ready to annihilate the Forex market this new week. Yeah, it is how many months to go? This September, we still have like 3 good months to go. But basically, as a trader, let me tell you how I put my calendar. Okay, as a trader, my calendar runs from January to November. That's how it runs. I don't add December to it. I trade in December, cool, but I mean, my target, my goals, I impute it in January to November. All right, so that's what I do. But do I still trade in December? Yeah, sure, I trade. But I do my auditing, inside of January to November. Yeah, that is how I work. Okay, so we have 3 months to go generally, but me, I have 2 months to go. If we're going to add this on, that's 3 months. Okay, this is just the first week of September, so we're getting into the second week of September. Okay, so you can as well say 3 months plus. That's what we have to go, right? 3 months plus. So what are you going to do with it? If you have looked at your account balance from January to now, and you're not proud of it, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. You remember what's his name? Don't say song. Wake up, gotta wake up. It's never too late to wake up, but don't procrastinate. Okay, updates the past. Increment of expenditure are going higher by the day, and income are not relatively increasing side by side with expenses. It's crazy, very crazy. All right, very, very, very crazy, man. Okay, so that is why you have to find a way to make money in dollars and spend your local currency. Maybe you're using Naira or you're using whichever country currencies that you use in anyway, you can make money from dollars, pounds, euro. Yeah. I mean, yeah, euro, pounds, ZAR, that should be South African currency also. Even Naira too. Anyway. Okay, so I believe we have actually gotten that and we're ready to rock and roll. Okay. I welcome newbies, newcomers. You know, I've had a lot of messages from people saying that I got I got to know you while scrolling through YouTube and I saw your live, then I joined it. I say, wow, that's great. So meaning that we're touching lives globally. So I posted something on my status that I said, check out FX Media Forex Academy on your Meta AI and you will see something there. You see that FX Media are no small. Even Meta AI recognizes us. So if you type FX Media Forex Academy on Google, you will see. You will see what will pop up. Take your time, research about FX Media Forex Academy. You see what pop up. The video will pop up, different things will pop up, you know, that you need to know. YouTube as well, you know. Yeah, super amazing. FS Media no small. So we know everybody know that we use the recommended broker, which is TENTRADE. And TENTRADE has been giving super amazing opportunities, which is the trading of your funded accounts. Okay, so like I said, in this period, there is nothing like capital is my problem. You know, those that have started with me before I became part of TENTRADE. I think testimony or Saherume. I think he was with me before I even joined TENTRADE. So there was nothing like funded accounts. Then it was not really easy trading with money, you know. But like I said that time that I'll keep going out, searching, you know, finding better opportunities for FS Media farms. Okay. And I'm still doing that. So because of that, I've been able to bring amazing opportunities. And the best of all is the funded program from TENTRADE. Okay. And still on still, I still give $3,000 accounts to people, which I just did on Friday, right? I gave $3,000 to what 6 amazing people. And one of those accounts cost about $33 or so, I think 32. Let me just 32 times 167. That's one account is 53,440 times what 6. You're having 320,640. So that's the money spent on funded accounts, up to like 300 and 350K thereabouts to sort out everything. So thanks to FX Media, thanks to TENTRADE for providing such an opportunity and a platform to do that. And we've given, as it is now, I've given over $53,000 account to different people. Okay. And the most amazing part is that these people are even FX Media. They're the one that even get to participate and be recognized. Okay. So I said, you pray for FS Media, you look forward, you know, you drop account, you know, I give. Yeah. But then and again, it shouldn't mean that you should focus on the giveaway. There's no particular time for giveaway. No particular time at all. As the spirit leads. Okay. We don't focus on giveaway. Do the actual thing. Get your account with our promo code FS Media 28. Start trading. Get or use our link. You can check in the description. You will see every information that you need right there. Just to get started. Remember, I said you are a forex trader. You're first an investor. Okay, so as a trader, you shouldn't just have one account. But if you're starting out, fine. You have a one account, no problem. But as you're going deeper in forex and you're making money, ensure you're having multiple accounts. And do not store money in your prop firm account. That's your funded account. I told you, when you make profits, you withdraw, fund your real account. Okay, still TENTRADE. TENTRADE is an all-in-one broker. From there, you can navigate anything you want to navigate right there. So for me, I trade more than 5 accounts. Okay, they have their different purposes. They serve their different purposes. Okay, so said you are an investor. As for a first trader, you're first an investor. So have an investor mindset. Okay, give forex time, practice what is expected, and the sky will be your limit. Okay, I had another boy that made over 300 million. Over 300 million, guys. Crazy. I couldn't post it that time because I was actually scared. Not even scared. I was worried about people saying maybe they'll just give up. You understand? I was just, but some student made me to post it. I posted it anyway. So over 300 million. And guess what? This guy is just 22 years. A guy, 22 years old. The other one that made 58 million is what? 20 years old. Crazy. So I said, I have been messaging you, but there's no response. I have said this. If you have an urgency, you have a problem that needs to be treated, that that is me. Chat me on Instagram. Okay? Chat me like it needs urgent attention. Chat me on Instagram. David 28. I've told you guys I've addressed this thing. If you want it that if your issue is probably you funded your account and you want me to add you to the signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Cool. If I'm not responding, you can send me a message on Instagram. No problem. So I'm good to go. Yeah. For Crypto said, I want to be part of FX Media. All right. So you can send us a message to be part of what we do. The complaint say, why this spirit not they locate me? Hey, sir, okay. Emmanuel Ikena said, boss, you are good. Thank you so much for that. I've received you guys welcoming message. Super amazing. Thank you so much for your welcome, your greetings. You guys are amazing. I posted something about voting and I've seen a lot of responses. You guys are amazing. Maybe you've not gotten my reply. It doesn't mean that I did not appreciate you. I appreciate you big time. And please don't be a high service person. Don't be a high service person. The blessings may not get to you. Okay, may not get to you. So don't be an high service person. You do stuff based on the fact you love FS Media, not because you are expecting something from FS Media, like funded account. The persons are loyal, are forming loyalty because they expect one day I will give them account. It doesn't work like that. I'm a spirit man, and I am a spirit man, very sensitive. I don't need to see you physical before I know the kind of person that you are. Do you understand? And I know who needs this account, it says so it led by the spirit, I choose the winners. You understand? No personal relationship with anybody. Like I already know people that will give no. I don't do that. So even the one that comes to say give me, I know even that sign is once I come on that live and everybody has done the activity, follow TENTRADE, follow FS Media, tag two other traders, they've done the activity, just come and do it doesn't cost any that's anybody to bring money to buy but to participate in the giveaway. No, just come with your data. If you get and engage, if you get picked, good for you. If you don't get picked, still continue, buy your account, trade, fund your money, trade, whichever way. If you giveaway comes up again, you still participate. Okay, that's just it. See, easy peasy. Life is sweet with Forex. Just follow every instruction I give to you, and this kind of be your limit. A lot of results are coming in. I made a withdrawal 3.5 million naira. And guess what? We have people, students who made their withdrawals as well. Okay, so let me just take the pics that I can post. Okay, Salu said, now we supposed to thank you, not you. All right. All right, certificate to get to you guys. If you have filled the form, you get a certificate. We'll not start working on it, but when we start working on it, I'll notify you guys. Okay, Darlington, I'll notify you guys on the certificates. Yeah, relax. Look on the comments and certificates. I've already addressed all these matters right here. Okay, so we are going into the charts. Hold on, guys. I want to load the charts so we can know how. I'm going to show you guys how I made 3.5 million naira trading gold in NFP. NFP on Friday, okay? I'm coming. Just a sec. All right, Latunde late concert. I saw something captivating. All right, I pinned it. Said, anytime I remember I had a mentor called the BOA, it makes me feel good. I wanted to learn more about Forex. I'm not giving up on Forex. All right, thank you so much for that. I've addressed the certificate issue. Oh, Oyema is here. Wow, good to have you, Oyema. Good to have you, Oyema. Oyema is one of the founding fathers of when FS Media started. All right, when FS Media started, this one that bought a car. Then his testimony started with him and other people that were in the set. Good to have you. Can you imagine? 2 years ago, right? And he's still in class. That's not crazy. I told you guys that no man is an island of knowledge. There are people who are very loyal, and even though they have money, they are still loyal. Loyalty is something, and loyalty and humbleness is something that takes one very far. Trust me, I'm telling you the reality of life. Boss on TENTRADE, please, can you guys make it possible for 5K account? Probably they are working on that. It could come up. We just have to release $1,000. Probably it could come up, but I don't know anything about that for now. Yusuf said leave 001. Kelechi leave 001. He has answered you. Please let him concentrate. I don't know whether some persons are listening to me with their armpits. I don't know. All right, so on the chart, let's go. So we are up and running. I'm coming, guys. Okay. So here we have it, guys. So I said how I made 3.5 million trading what gold. So let's go. Gold has been bullish. It created an all-time high and it's been bullish since. So we're just looking for opportunities to buy. That's what we've been doing. If you look at my trade histories, they've been buying just only one sell we had right there, which is here. One sell, buy, buy. Then finally, we had our NFP results. All right, so let's go. So I bought AUD as we all know. I bought it, and it went our direction. Then also another person sold it. I'll show you why they sold gold. So remember, on top-down analysis, we actually um, look at the trend of the market from higher time frame, and where we are currently is a higher time frame. XAU USD, that's gold. XAU USD. Some brokers can have XAU USD as what? Gold spot. So this is gold, XAU USD. So we are on, well, let's go to day one. We already identified the trend, which is an uptrend. So back to how I made the money. I barely done it. Hey, I made the money. Hey, I made the money. Made the money. Hey, I made the money. I made the money. This week is a good week. It's a good week. It's a good week. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. I bought gold in the first movement. In the first movement. Okay. Coming. All right. So how do I get to know that gold was going to buy? What kind of strategy did I use? First of all, did I identify the trend of the markets and looking at the past record of XAUUSD, got to know that gold was actually going to buy. All right. So there are two ways, two strategies we can use to trade high impact news like NFP. You check historical data on fundamental and see the historical data which is on the fundamental, you can use it to predict the next move of the market in the news to come. You understand? So the previous NFP, it was where we got analysis of buy to knowing that market is going to also buy here. So added to our price action, which has been in an uptrend, right? It has been in an uptrend. So we sort that out and picked our trade right there. And so the strategy I use is the first move under 2 minutes. I'm out. 1 to 3 minutes max, I am out. Old students already know that strategy. All right. So, but I'm not revealing it here. The strategy, that's the second strategy. Old students know that what we use on the first minute to make cool cash. You understand that market can be manipulative at that beginning when it drops or once the news drop. Market can be manipulative. You get that. But based on my risk to reward ratio, so far so good. I've had less losses and maximum profits using that strategy. So it's a workable strategy, which I'm not going to review right here. It's only for registered students of FX Media. Very powerful one. All right. So when I generated that strategy, let me bust your brain. For 1 year, I did not lose trading high impact. 1 year, I didn't lose. Shock you. All right. I already taught them that strategy. Those founding fathers, them. All right. So that is it. Aside how I made 3.5 million euro trading book. Very easy. I've given you guys an insight using your historical fundamentals on gold to predict the market. Now let's go. So there are people that sold market bought and went down. Why did it sell? They're about to find out. Market sold because now there is a strong, look at my mouse, there is a strong resistance right here, in which market have rejected how many times? One. Pen will be better. All right. So market have rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then market came here to reject. Again, it's a very strong zone for resistance. Okay, it rejected there after the pump of the news. Now, smart traders, they saw that market pumped, and where it pumped to is still around that resistance region. So once the news is done, they started selling. So trading the news, you can benefit from immediately the news drops, or after the news have been dropped. So look at it. It now depends on your price action. If you have markets, when market opens, when news drop at 130, there's a pump normal. Let's just say a pump to the upside, poof, to resistance place, and that is where it's set to. after the news. So what do? If it's a strong resistance, you start selling from there. I'm giving you guys tip. Same thing goes in pari passu for support. If market drops and the news push the market downward to support, and that is where it held, like it dropped to and held some movement a little bit. So what do? After the news, you buy, you start buying that correction. That is it. Where's an opposite? So that is what happened to XAUUSD right here. How to come? How will somebody be answering how to? So I said, but I didn't drop the signal in the book. No, I didn't drop it. They do what they say, no matter the condition, I'll be following you back to back. Thank you so much. My one and only mentor. Thank you, Emmanuel. Sir, can you consider someone with 1K for trading? Yeah. If you get 1K account, you can join the signal room. Yeah, I registered on TENTRADE before I met you. So how can I join your signal room? Chat up your account manager, or you go to their website to chat up support. Tell them you want to change yourself to be under FS Media. They'll tell you what to do. If you're asking how to enroll in FS Media, chat me up on Instagram or WhatsApp. My number is on YouTube. My Instagram is on YouTube. YouTube is a platform for everybody. So just want to get an information and come to me. You see all those things there, how to get to me. Okay. All right. So back to the chat. Now, this is where market is closed. Okay. And what market is going to okay, market has already opened at 10. This is 10:10 already. So what is our projection for gold? Looking at this, you now are dealing with price action, no news. But before then, let's go and check my FX book to see about the fundamentals that we have coming in. Check the fundamentals. Come on, load. Let's go. What is going on here? All right. So here we are. Okay, Monday. Okay. All right. So all through Monday, your price action is going to work. Okay. At least 60% your price action is going to work. So no major news on Monday. So on Tuesday, we have high impact news on AUD. So if you are trading AUD, shine your eyes. So we have GBP, that's employment change when for Tuesday, right? Okay. So Wednesday, we have GBP, high impact news. Then we have, this should be CPI. Yeah, CPI. We have CPI when 11th. 11th should be when Wednesday. CPI is usually on Wednesday. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, yeah. Wednesday, CPI at 1:30. So it's a high impact news like NFP. So if you miss NFP this last Friday, don't miss CPI on Wednesday. Okay. So that's a high impact news that we have on Wednesday. So on Thursday, what else? We have USD coming up. Okay. So basically, On Tuesday, keep from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then what else? Friday, keep your eyes on your fundamentals and look at the time. I'm giving you guys strategy on how to do your fundamentals. Let me tell you now. If you don't want to trade high impact news, listen. Listen. When you analyze your markets, that is technically you analyze your market, then you have a signal to buy. Taking Euro US as an example, your signal is to buy Euro USD, and you get into the trade in the morning. And there's an high impact news on Euro USD that is going to drop when in the afternoon. So this is it. You have this option. Since you have signal in the morning during London session and you took your trade buy, now you either there are two things you have to do. Either you close your trade in profit before the news drop and continue the trade later after the news have been dropped, or you break even or trail stop loss before the news is going to be dropped. So you get what I'm saying? So if you're already in profit before the news drop, you can trail your stop loss or break even, so that anything that wants to happen, if it goes your direction, you even boost your money. If it goes against you, you know that you have nothing to lose. Then I said again, if you don't want to be in the market, you don't want to be in the news, don't want the news to catch up with you, and so you must have closed your trade. Then lastly, if you don't want any problem at all, if you have high impact news coming up, let's just say around 1:30 in the afternoon, then your technicals, now you now have a signal on your technicals by 1 to 1, let's say 12:30 to 1, and news is coming 1:30. Don't even try to take the trade. You wait after the news have been dropped, then you can now look at the direction to trade. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. Because there are a lot of people who don't observe their fundamentals. They wonder, all of a sudden they are losing, market is going against them, it's just going down. What's going on? Say news day. If you ever catch yourself saying, you're asking yourself, news day, you're not serious. You're not taking your fundamental. Now all of a sudden you saw that your trade pump against you or for you. They're not serious. You're supposed to be aware of the news. So this three option I gave to you is what is a strategy, part of the strategy you can use to guide you in your high impact news. Note, I am not talking about low and medium. Low and medium doesn't really have impact in the market. So it is high impact news that have impact in the market. So I've given you guys 3 ways to manage your trades here. Okay, so that is it. Easy peasy. So you don't get caught up. Not that you make money today, tomorrow you lose it, or you make money from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday you don't know there is news. You now carry trade, and God help you that day you now trade gold. And as you trade gold, the news drop will go against you. Or most likely all the money you made Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you don't go. You don't lose your money. And maybe you did not break even. You did not know there is news, or maybe that time where your spirit man push you, increase the loss. Since on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll be making profits. Knock and better lots. Increase. Come up small. That time where that's in the stop it. When increase down small, increase like this, or maybe at that time where village will complete volume for you. For you that day. So all right. Okay, let me see some questions. When I'm sharing my screen, I don't really see questions. I have to go to the question. Let me see what we have in the chat. Kola already said, I'm in poker. How can I get my first book? Just type myfxbook.com on your browser. You will see it there. So I don't know how to trade the news. I've traded that. How can we interpret the news? That is for FS Media registered students, not for public consumption. Now, if you're not seeing the screen very well, ensure your phone, you change your YouTube settings to high quality. If it's on normal quality, maybe you are managing data, you're not serious, you won't see very well. It should be high quality so you can see clearly. See, my phone is connected, so I'm using it to observe right here. All right, I'm using it to observe right here. It's clean and clear. Okay, very clear from my own end. Okay, so I'm using it to monitor as I'm streaming. All right, so what else do we have here? I'm saying, ha ha ha, I'm enjoying you, sir. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, thank God I'm a registered student. How to know a value support and resistance? Okay, value support and resistance. You can have a strong support on higher time frame, and what makes up a support and resistance is where two or more points meet at the same level. So when you have two or more points that are in the particular range, what happens? That place have been certified as a support or a resistance, two or more points. Okay, two or more meetup zones. So how can I register? How can I register? How can I register? Send me a message on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram. If you are part of those people that had class tonight, there's no problem. I'll still communicate to you guys on that group. But if you are not part of you that have class tonight, but you want to register in FS Media, send me a message on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Okay, text me say, how do you make your choices of pairs to trade during USD news? Well, I'll tell you something based on my experience actually, it's also like experience. Based on my experience, there are two markets that I choose for USD. Either I trade GBP USD or I trade gold. Why? Because they have high volatility. Even if markets move small, I'll still make good money. You understand? That's why I just choose the two of them. So that's what I do. All right. This is the same of VIX 100. We are not doing VIX 100, right? We're not doing synthetic class. So I say, please analyze one chart for us. I'm coming. It's market review. I'm coming. No, don't rush me. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the charts. So the pair I'm looking into is okay. All right. So we're talking about gold, right? Now, what's gold going to do? Since it's in an uptrend, gold, we still look for opportunities to buy. We have our zones mapped out, right? All right, beautiful. So we continue the analysis right here. We have rejections here, a neckline from what? AW, this AW that formed, right? That broke out, right? Came like this, go like this, then came back here, and it's coming back to this zone. Okay, so let's go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right, so I'll go to 15 minutes. All right, so I'll do something like this. So if I'm going to buy gold, if I'm going to buy gold, I must have markets do what? Markets come like this. Give me a double bottom and I'll buy. You understand? So my entry is going to be here. If markets move our direction, remember that we don't own the Forex markets. We only speculate. You understand? And we apply proper risk management. So that is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to enter from if we have market breakouts. So these are going to enter from for a buy to continue the buy. But let's not say it doesn't go for buy. What can we see for a sell? Well, for me, I can't see anything for a sell now, except as we go into the week, we can setup can come up and we have our sell. But what I'm seeing right here is a potential buy. Okay, so if it does as we are looking at it, then we take our trade. So whatever a market structure give to us during the week, we know what to do. So let's look at my the love of my life, which is the JPY best. Yeah. So we're looking at CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Top down analysis, we go to higher time frame, identify the trend. We know this guy has been dumping, like God knows. From an uptrend, it does dump. I'm sorry for people who have been buying since I don't know when to take profits. It does dump all of a sudden, no problem. So we analyze, identify the trend, it's still an uptrend. Still an uptrend. How do we know? This is the one we plot our trend line. All right, so it's in an uptrend. That is it. So what else do? We go down to lower time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame. That is the next in line. All right. We have a support zone in this place. The support zone holding right here. And we had the first breakout here, went up, and here, this is where we at. So we go lower to 1 hour. This is what we have on 1 hour. So we're zooming out. You know, as we go lower, we zoom so we can see clearly. Here we have a retest from here. The broken support came to retest, came down like this, then move for a retest and dump again. Okay. So we go to 30 minutes. This is where we have market currently at, in this place, dropping. All right. But this place where the market is on a major support. And I told you guys that when you have all time frames aligning in a higher time frame support zone or resistance zone, market tends to react massively. So now every time frame are aligning in where the support zone for the higher time frame. You know where I draw this support? This support is on day one, and that makes it strong. Okay, so this is where market is. So what do we do? What do we do as a trader? We wait. Because it's dangerous to buy here, to sell here rather. Dangerous. So we wait to see if there's going to be a rejection. Then and again, let's go to 4 hours to see something. Remember that this guy is the first breakout. The first breakout. And if I didn't go to higher time frame and plot our support here, you may not see it. Yes, you would think that, okay, market will still sell down here. Probably it might, but based on structure, this is a false breakout. And here is the support. Market, all time frames are in the major support of the one. Okay, so we wait. So if you're going to be selling here, that's your risk. So you have a 50% chance of market going your direction, 50-50. And it doesn't make sense trading like that, 50-50. Trading 50-50, you only get to inside problem. You trade 30-70, you understand? 20-80, 40-60 at most, not 50-50. 50-50 now is not gambling. You get, don't chase the market, there'll always be signal. Let signal come to you. Okay, so back to 30 minutes. You know, a stop down strategy, I told you guys, from higher time frame we go down to lower, then we move forward, we come down, we move, so we get to see our trades. You know, we make our trading decision. Well, no. All right, so we wait of what is going to happen here. We wait. So we look at what Monday has for us, the structure that Monday is going to give to us on this. Then if you have a good structure on London session, then New York comes up, you have fantastic signal, you can take. Okay, so but we wait to see what is going to give us there. Since the overall trend of the markets are not trend. Okay, So you're looking for opportunities to buy. That is it. Forget the temporal sell. It's not worth the risk. It's not worth risking your money, except you want to turn into buy them. All right. So that is that on CADJPY. All right, sir. Honestly, your signals really help a lot. Please, can you please help us? Okay, let me pin it out. Can you please help us to always drop it with the screenshots of your trading view? I do it now. I do it. When you see me send screenshots of my trading view, it means that I'm on my system. You understand? If I don't send with trading view, know that I am on my phone at that particular time. So that is how it is. Okay. Okay, Mary said I charged you on opening the $39 funded account. Sir, is the promo code still valid? Yes, it's valid. FS Media 28. Lavisma said just coming in. Network show me Pepe. Hey, yeah, sorry. Cyber said I'm not on FS Media chat. I don't know what you're talking about. Sir, FX Media is a physical online academy. It's an online academy, okay? Globally known. You can search your Meta AI. You will see search on your Meta AI. Type FX Media Forex Academy. You will see us there. You see the information that will pop up. Check your AI. Type FX Media Forex Academy. You see what pop up there. So go to YouTube. Go to Google. Search FX Media Forex Academy. Or search the video. You see, no, nobody's coming anybody. All right. So you're very authentic. All right. So what other question do you have right here? The complaint says some of us are finding it difficult to raise money to buy funded accounts. So let's just say there's no funded account. So what would you do? You give up in Forex. It's crazy. You got to try your best. So a little $31, $33 to purchase a $3,000. That's a crazy opportunity. Imagine there's no funded account. Do you think with your $31 or $33 you blow? Can't really blow like that. You understand? You just be struggling. Maybe make $1, $2, $3, or even blow your account. You get. So you have an opportunity that you should purchase for them. Come on, take the chance and stop complaining. So how can I register? Just as how can I register FS Media Academy? Send me a message. Please, I've already said address all these things. Send me a message. All right, so let's go to the next chart. So let's check GBP JPY. All my eyes are all GBP on JPY pairs this week because they seem to have similar structures. Okay, so GBP this is you. Day one, let's go and visit day one and see how far. Okay, day one on GBP JPY is in an uptrend, but we can take advantage of the sell. I've already seen it with my eyes. This sell right here, can take advantage of it. So my analysis are already there. So we go to 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. I had this market created a rising wedge, consolidated like this, went up a little to take out liquidity, and what came down to this point. This is where it is. Okay. Based on my analysis, I expect markets to come down to this place, to this zone. That's what I expect it to do. So, but let's go to lower time frame so we can have a good entry. All right. So I'm mapping out my trend line. So we have our trend line. You see that even when it broke the trend line, it still came back. Stop people out, praise it. Still came back and dumped. All right, good. So you can take advantage of what the sell. sell. So I'm just looking at one direction of a sell for this market. So let's put our risk to reward. So my eyes they pay me and be bitter. So it's not tied to. It's because of I reduce the chart. Let me zoom it out so everybody can see. That's a very good setup. How many pips is that set? We have 581 pips. If market comes to this support zone, that's 581 pips. So only this trade like this can even make you good money for the week. Okay, only this trade if you start going in our direction. So I'll zoom out so you can see the risk to reward well. So this is it. So what me I'll do is like this. I'll take it as a swing trade, risking 103 pips as a swing trade. Why? Because markets they come here to dump. They come here for a retest. They come here for a retest and dump. Okay. So let me do like this. So may go like this to dump. Or it breaks out to dump. So two ways. Okay. If I swing trading, we do like this. Okay. But for me, I will wait. I won't just carry the trade like that. I will wait to see the outcome. So either I'm entering from here or I'm entering after the breakout. So whichever way, the market is going to dump, it's going to sell. So I'm looking for sells on GBP, JPY. So guys, let me take you guys' suggestions so we can end the live. I don't want to spend so much time. Which one do we, what chart do you want us to look at? Oh no, may I just come in? I've analyzed gold since. Sir, please hope you will send the video on today live. I'm having a bad network. You say it will be posted immediately on YouTube. Once I end the meeting, they automatically post. Okay, automatically post. Deco Blade said, thank you, sir, for your encouragement. Yeah, thank you. So, how do we know London session to Nigerian time? Now, London session in Nigerian time runs from 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. till evening. You get till evening. London session is open. The New York session runs from noon, 12:1 thereabouts till evening. So apparently, as a Nigerian, you can trade anytime in the day. See, that's super amazing. That's one advantage we have in trading the two major sessions in the world, London session and New York session. There's Asian section, which is at night, midnight. But just see Forex as your day-to-day work. You know, like you wake up in the morning to go and fulfill a man's dream, only for you to be paid peanuts. You know, how you do it 9 to 5 job. You get it. Like be paid 50K, 30K, or even 20K. You know. So but Forex, you wake up, you analyze the market, there's entry you take, there's no entry, you wait, time to time, check your market, check your trade when you have your signal. So that is it. So I believe I've attended to that question. When is the offer going to end? What offer? I don't understand what you're saying. Now, I remember something. TENTRADE is doing a promo. If you buy one instant funded account, not $1,000. If you buy one instant funded account, you will get a bonus $3,000 evaluation account. This is amazing. If you buy $10,000 instant funded account, you will get a $10,000 evaluation account as bonus. So crazy. So tell me, why should you still be broke this year? When accounts they fly up and down, they fly. Why should you still be broke? This is where. Which market should I check? Which market should I check? I'll just pick only one, then we end the live. Only one. Prosper said, Baba, I don't fuck up, but coming out strong, I got to relent, Sha. All right, good. I've saved money for 1K life account already. Your status has been a great help to me. I lost your contact, Sha, after relearning our message on IG. All right, okay, good. So having USD card. So this will happen. I'll just check NZD card, AUD, USD. Yeah, I'll just check it. The one that I do set up, we analyze. Always remember that on TradingView, we choose the currency pair that has FXCM. Never forget that. Or Owanda. Don't go choose any other one. If it just fuck you up. Higher time frame, I look at the structure. It's not promising, I leave it alone. All right, so I'm leaving AUD USD. I do not see any setup there. So I'm checking SSD card as suggested by you guys. You guys are just suggest. Do you actually analyze the market before suggesting? Not that anything that comes to your head, you just talk. Don't they do like that? Analyze the market yourself. Okay, when you come on live, when it's time for suggestion, you can suggest me based on what you analyze. You get not say any currency pair that come to your head, you want to suggest because others are suggesting. Now play you do. All right, I think the SZD card has the good setup. Why? It has a good setup. Why? Because market is coming from where? A major support zone. This is a support, sorry, a resistance zone. Here is it. You can see my mouse moving across. Okay, and there's head and shoulder that's formed here. Beautiful. So only looking at the one time frame, I already know that NZD card is going to sell. Okay, so let's go to lower time. You see, most of the charts we open, my analysis are there already. They are there already because I don't hardly erase my chart. Hardly erase my chart, so I can always continue. All right, so we have the left shoulder, right shoulder. Then we have Ori, head, easy. We have head like that. So left shoulder, right shoulder, then head. What do you think is going to happen? If you've been under my mentorship, you should know that when you're having a chart pattern formed on an area of value, market is going to react. Like now, as you have this chart pattern that's formed, this reversal chart pattern that shows a sell that has formed on a resistance zone. What does it mean? It means that there's a high tendency that market is what's going to dump, that is going to sell. So we go smaller to 1 hour time frame. All right, so this is what we have on 1 hour time frame. You see the reason why you need to go to higher time frame at times, because just imagine as from 1 hour time frame, you will not see head and shoulder. Look how wide it is. So, but when you go to 4 hours, you can have a summary. You see it. Oh, okay. See it now. Head and shoulder. Beautiful. So, I can see 2 or more points of support, which is here. All right. Our market is currently here. Beautiful. So, what are we going to do? We wait for the market to come to us. Where am executing my trade to give me an assurance, not the video assurance, assurance. Okay, this is my assurance. What is my assurance? Here it is. I'll wait for a breakout. Yeah. If it doesn't break out and retest, no entry, I know the trade. So that is what I expect the market to do if it goes our direction. Our weekly market review has helped a lot of people. Trust me, I've helped a lot of people. Those of you in the signal room, you get to notice I don't really drop signal, right? Because there's not really set up. We're not really set up like that. Markets, even the one trying to take, go not person except. So that's the thing. You wait for market to come to you. You understand? Wait for market to come to you before you execute your trade. All right. So we zoom out. Okay. So I'm only looking for sell opportunities. I know they find buy. The only thing that will make one to buy, it cannot happen tomorrow. Why? Because it takes it. I have to wait for market to break out of this resistance zone completely. But no, it's going to take time. So I'm only looking out for selling opportunity, major selling, not temporal buy or temporal sell. And I told you, if it breaks out here, I have my entry here after the retest, somewhere around there. As when it breaks out, come my retest, give me rejection candle for sell right there, and I short, I sell the market. So these are 90 pips, 90.8 pips target profit and 26.4 weeks. Okay, that's a SL. I believe we've gotten that, and I believe we're getting this. All right. So what do we have? Do you got any question right here? Now please check your card. I see buy setup. Euro card. I don't trade USD. These guys are talking USD. I don't trade USD. But I'll check it sharp. I traded it one time. Just once in a while I trade USD. So check your card. Okay. Wow. This is a nice one. Person that suggested Euro card, Roro day your head. This is a nice one. That's a good setup. A good one. A good setup. That's nice. Nice one. So looking for opportunity to buy. We plot our trend lines first. All right. So we plot our trend line. Got broken. There is head and shoulder. You can see head and shoulder right here. Head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder right here. A market pump. It's pumping. So we go to 1 hour time frame. This is a good one. They're a good man, that guy that suggested this. So another confirmation is that markets have taken this lower high. What is the lower high? This one here. So we're looking for opportunities to what? Buy the market. We have a pattern that market has been following, which is this. It's making series of up, down, up, down. That's higher, high, higher, low. Higher, high, higher, low. Okay. So we have this. I like this setup. It's a good one. So just wait for what? Market have taken out this high. Taking out this high. So we expect markets to come down from where? Here, like come down and push up. That's why I expect markets to do. Okay. That's what I expect markets to do. So let's go to 30 minutes time frame. So if you have market bounce here, fine, no problem. We follow up. But keep an eye, add this to your watch list. So I'm going to add it to my watch list this up. If you are using a phone, I hope you are participating like this. So like your phone is in a landscape mode and not portrait mode. Okay, because that one if you don't see clearly like this, so you see clearly. If you are using phone, you are using system, apparently you see everything. All right. I'm adding to my watch list. Okay, so you card good setup. Emmanuel Ikena says, sir, please between, let me put it up. Sir, please between evaluation account, 3K and instant funding account, which one is better to go with? Any one of your choice. If you don't have patience to pass evaluation, you can go for the instant funded. Any one of your choice. Okay, instant funded 1K. But if you have patience to pass evaluation, fine, no problem. You wait and do the evaluation test and pass it. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, so if you have not registered a recommended booker, ensure that you have clicked FS Media link in the description below. You can see it there and register. What gives you what you benefit from our promo code, which is FS Media 28, is you're getting lifetime. They are getting access to our signal room. Okay, you are not subscribing. That's what gives you when you register with our promo code and you fund your account or you purchase the TENTRADE funded account. So that is it. That's the criteria. So that's what gives you access to signal room. You are not subscribing for the signal room. So that is it. A VIP signal room, not free channel. So that is what I want to communicate to you. If you have not registered, do that ASAP. ASAP, speedily, speedily, speedily. And as I said, the VIP group, remember I said I was going to lock it or put subscription price on it. I said it earlier, but I'm still delaying. Small, small. Today I'll close it. You not like it to better do fast. Do fast. And this thing has been open since 1 year. 1 year now. This September, right? 1 year. I started using TENTRADE last year, September. So it's already 1 year. So imagine I opened the group for free, signal room for free, but you have to register with our promo code on TENTRADE, buy an account or fund your account. And when you're funding, don't fund stupid money. You get fund reasonable money if you're funding. All right, so we good. So I'm going to end the session right here. I believe you guys gotten have gotten value. Free class, can you imagine? People pay for this class I give to you guys for free. All right, but always remember, if you have not learned Forex structurally, FS Media Academy is there for you to learn structurally. So those of us that have classes tomorrow, I've told you guys we meet tomorrow night Yeah, I'll tell you guys on YouTube where we have classes or class. Then Fibonacci video, I'll work on it. Those expecting certificates, we have not started processing the certificates yet. When we start processing it, you get to see, we're going to send an information for you to fill a form. And once you fill it, just know that we'll start processing it. So we're not yet processing. So we're going to combine all of them for the last session of the year 2024. So we'll combine everything so you can dish everybody out that has not gotten certificate and those who have not yet graduated, you understand? So we'll compile everything together because it's not easy creating certificate and sending it to your email. Authentic certificate is not easy work. You get it? All right, guys. That's going to be all. Thank you so much for being here. Richie 55, I be speaking French. My recommended broker is TENTRADE, one and only TENTRADE. Finish. I don't promote any other broker. I'm not using any other broker. Why? TENTRADE is all in one. He has everything there. It's a broker that offers corporate services. So why jumping from one broker to the other? Just stay there, just be in one place, use everything. And now you even get rewarded for trading. I forgot to mention that one. When you are trading with your real money and not funded account, you accumulate points. And when you accumulate points, if the points grow well to a certain place, you get rewarded. I wish there's still time. I would have shown you guys that price. The points on their website. I would have shown you guys. But no problem. In the next live, somebody should remind me. When we are on live session, remind me. Okay? You have registered and you never fund, you never buy accounts. You're not serious. You're not serious. Okay. Big Z said, with you, FX looks easy. Actually, that is how it is. Thank you so much. This Euro card, if you suffer from my hand this week, they look you like this with bombastic side eye. Because that's a good setup. Good. Jacob Blaze asks how much is 1K self-funded account. Any information that you need about TENTRADE that you don't know, I've made a video on our YouTube channel. Go and watch it. If you don't know how to deposit or withdraw, I made a video. Go and watch it. If you want to know about the winning of prize, Ferrari, $100, $2,000 money, different prizes, watch, go to our YouTube channel. I have made video on that. So that is it. Okay, easy peasy. The channel is there for you. Thank you so much for being part of the live tonight. I wish you guys a successful week. Go forth and prosper. Remember to pray when you wake up in the morning. Always pray. You don't rush to pick up your phone because a lot of people are fond of that. You don't go pray so you will know whether they talk or not. When you wake up, you say prayer, even if plus Jesus minus Satan. I'm just kidding. Just say prayer and you're good. You're good to go. Yeah, I wish you guys a prosperous and fruitful week ahead. All right, stay safe, be at the right place at the right time, doing the right thing. Okay, yeah. So I wish you all the best. If you're still struggling in Forex, I've told you what to do. Do the right thing. Okay, on learn to learn. If you are in the process, you are learning Forex gradually. Be rest assured that as long as you're doing the right thing, your results will come out. People that have a result don't have to wait. Okay, don't have to wait. So keep grinding. You still have 3 months plus a year left. Put in the necessary effort. Take that decision. Stop procrastinating. Move forward. You're given an opportunity. People win scholarship in FX Media Forex Academy. The people that win scholarship. So do the needful for yourself. Don't leave money on the table. Forex market is big. It's big. It's big. So we should start celebrating cars towards the end of the year. We've had 1 or 2 cars coming, but at least by December, I expect many of you to have bought cars. Okay, you have an assignment by December. I expect many of you should have bought cars. Those of you that have done well in Forex, I expect you to have bought cars. And how do you done? By learning very well from FX Media. So by December, we should celebrate more cars by the grace of God, and it's going to happen. If you don't believe it, they play. I'm a man of faith. It works. Faith works. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. God bless you.